Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make eggs with peppers, but before that please do press subscribe button and like button, and do comment below how did you find it, and by the end of this recipe you will find a tip how to make it amazing. So for that I need 2 tomatoes, 2 eggs, red pepper, green pepper, 3 green chilies. I'm going to take vegetable oil, you can take butter or you can take olive oil, red pepper flakes, salt to taste, black pepper, and I'm also going to use hot sauce. Now please continue watching so you can know in the last what the tip I'm going to give it to you, what you need to add to give that hint of restaurant style tomatoes and peppers and eggs. Yeah, so I'm going to take my 2 eggs and beat it on the high speed. I'm going to beat on the high speed, and then I'm going to start chopping my tomatoes very nicely thinly. So if you don't want the skin, you can take it off the skin. I have kept it as it is, so just dice all your tomatoes. I'm going to heat up oil. If you want, you can use olive oil. If you want, you can use butter. If you want, you can use ghee. I'm going to use vegetable oil for now, and now I'm going to add up tomatoes. So that thinly chopped tomatoes, I'm going to just add it up and just mix it up. Now if you want, you can use the canned tomatoes, but I prefer fresh tomatoes because it will give like a tangy flavor and a real nice fresh color to it. I'm going to add up 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to let tomatoes get sauteed. I'm going to add up my black pepper and my red chili flakes, which you can also call paprika. Just add it up and mix it up well. Now if you are not that good with spices, and if you think that this is enough spices for you, so no need to add hot sauce and green chilies. Meanwhile my tomatoes are getting soft. I'm going to remove all the seeds out from my pepper, and I'm just going to take 3/4 of my pepper, or 1/4 I think. Just cut, make it doesn't have to be a perfectly chopped peppers. Yeah, we just need to add it up. I'm going to cut my green chilies because I like to eat spicy food. So if you don't like spicy, avoid green chilies and avoid hot sauce. Now my tomatoes are getting melted. It's really perfect. I'm going to just mash it up and mash, and you will see that it's really softened up. It's really perfect for me to add my egg now, but before that I'm going to add up my peppers. Yeah, so add up my peppers and my green chili. Just mix. Now trust me, I have tried a lot of recipes, and the hint what I'm going to give you in the last is a magic. If you try it, you will feel like you're eating some kind of restaurant, and it's super delicious with brown bread or with a slice of bread, or just simply with white cheese or feta cheese. It's really delicious. Now I'm going to add hot sauce again. If you're not that friendly with spicy, do not use it, but it will give that hint of sourness. Now look at that, it looked beautiful, it looked gorgeous. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up my egg, and I'm going to mix it up really well. So mix. I'm going to mix it up really well, and I'm going to mix it up till the time it gets really nice. Really mix it up. Now this is my hint, this is the magic touch in that you're going to add a Parmigiano cheese in the last. Now if you're not a cheese friendly, don't need to add it, but trust me, this will give a magic touch to it. It is so delicious when you add this cheese, and look at that, it looks yummy and it smells heaven. It's delicious, it's super good. I hope you like my recipes. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and please support to my channel. Thank you for watching.